example from a verbal reasoning topic. Okay, so this is involving, as we did in the last episode, single letter sequence. This will be paired letter sequence. Okay, guys, when you're in this situation, I would advise you to follow a similar strategy where you can either color code or you can just outline in red the first letters of each pair. Okay, and the missing pair. And then you've got your second letters in a different color, just so it stands out and you know, it makes it a bit easier to distinguish. Okay, so now what we'll do is for our first letters of each pair, we will see what is going on, what is the relationship or the sequence that follows from there. So we've got F to G. So it's moving forwards and it's moving forwards one place. So we'll continue. So we've got G to H. We can clearly see that that goes from G to H. That follows 1. So plussing 1. Remember, when it moves forwards in the alphabet, it's plus. So from H to I, again, we can see it's plus 1. And then we've got I to J. You should know by now your alphabet, that is plus 1 also. Now, we're going from, we're moving on, we're finding the last, the first letter of the next pair, the missing pair. So you plus 1 from J and you end up with K. Okay, now that solves the first letter pair. Now we're moving on to the second letters. So again, if you look here now, guys, we're going from A to B. So A to B, you're moving, and it moves forward again, so it's plus 1. Then you're moving from B to C, well, you should know your alphabet from there, that's plus 1. I can show you on here, B to C, moving forwards. Then you go from C to D. Again, plus 1, plus 1, and then D to E, plus 1. Therefore, you can see from the pattern, you follow the same pattern. So you're going from E to the next letter, and you're plussing 1. Therefore, you move from E to the next letter, which is F, and that is your final answer. Okay, now, guys, you follow the same strategy with each of the next questions. Therefore, I would like you to pause this video and start the next set of questions. Best of luck.